Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can add birthday on Telegram. So first up, open your Telegram app. And from here, once you open your Telegram app, tap on the three lines at the top left-hand corner of your screen. And then from here, select on settings. Now here on your settings, go on to the bio. Now here on bio, here at the bottom, you'll find your birthday. So you can add date of birth. So you can tap on add. And here you just have to swipe up or swipe down to select your date, month, and year. Now once done, tap on save button. And here at the bottom, you'll find all your contacts can see your birthday. To change this, tap on the change button. And here, as you can see, you have options. You can see my date of birth. Basically, if you want to see your birth on everybody, or my contacts, or nobody. So in this case, I'm going to select my contacts. And then here you can add exemptions if you want always allow or if you want never allow. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.